Hey everyone, welcome back to SFDC Ninja, and today I am back with another video of Apex Trigger Scenario series. Guys, there is one thing which I want to discuss. I know I have not been posting videos for a while, but from now on I will regularly upload videos on Trigger and LWC scenarios. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, let's understand the requirement. So we need to write a trigger to prevent opportunity record from getting inserted if the related account does not have at least one active contact. And a contact is considered active if both phone and email field is not empty. If either phone or email is missing, then the contact is not active. So this is the requirement. I hope it is clear to you. Now it's time to code. So let's go to VS Code and create our handler class. Let's name it. Let's create our method. And in this method, we will pass list of opportunity as parameter. Basically, in this parameter, we will pass trigger.new from a trigger. So this list is equal to trigger.new. Now guys, see, we need to check that if parent account has valid contacts, right? And for that, we will be needing parent account ID of the opportunity record which are being inserted. So let's apply a null check on this list like this. Iterate over it. And we will store account ID of this opportunity in a set. So let's create a set first. Copy its name, paste it here, and here add account ID in it. Now guys, see, we need to track whether each account has at least one active contact, and for that we will use map. Let's see how. But before that, apply a null check on this set. This is to ensure that the rest of the code will be executed only if this set contains a value. And here create a map like this. In this map, in key we will store account ID, and in value we will store a boolean value. So if this boolean value is true, means account has at least one active contact, and if it is false, means it does not have any active contact. Now we will fetch all contacts whose account ID is present in this set. So let's fetch it. Select ID, email, phone from contact where account ID is in this set. Now this is the main part of our code in which we will put true in this map if the account has at least one contact with both email and phone. So let's apply a check like this. If string is not blank, con.email and string is not blank, con.phone. If this condition will get true, then we will simply put true in this map. Else if this map not contains account ID, then we will simply put false. The thing is, we need to check if an account has any contact with email and phone, right? Which means one active contact, or you can say one contact with email and phone should be enough. Finally, let's iterate over this list. And now we will apply two checks. First, if this map not contains the account ID, or if ID is present but the boolean variable is false. If this condition will get true, means if the map does not have account ID. So this happens when the account has no contacts at all. So it was never added to this map. Second condition, if account ID is in key of this map but the value is false, and this happens if the account has contacts but none of them have both email and phone. So in both cases we will show error like this. Opportunity cannot be created because the associated account does not have an active contact. Save it and deploy it to work. Okay, we are getting error. I think it is related to VS Code. So we will not waste our time. Let's go to developer console, and here let's create our handler class. Okay, I forgot to use put. That was my mistake. But VS Code was not showing that error. Now let's try to save it. It is successfully saved. Let's create a trigger. It is obvious that our trigger will be on opportunity object. And we have to use before insert because we need to prevent insertion of opportunity record. So we will not change anything here. We will just apply a check like this. This is to ensure that our handler class will run only for before insert event. Copy our handler class name, paste it here, copy method name, and here we will pass trigger.new. Save it. It is successfully saved. So guys, our code is ready. It's time to see it in action. So let's open any account. And here we can see that this account has contacts with no email and phone. Now let's try to insert opportunity. Here you can see that we are getting error. Now what we will do, we will add phone and email. And again, let's try to insert opportunity. It is successfully saved, which means our trigger is working fine. So that's it for today guys, and I'll be back with more interesting trigger scenarios. Thank you and keep watching.